Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install your Epic Games Store on your iOS. The same process with Android as well. And let me show you, I currently even have a Fortnite running. I was even playing Fortnite, really easy and simple. And all you need to do, let me just show you the Epic Store. As you can see, it's fully functioning. Everything here is available, okay? All you need to do is open up your Safari. Let me go ahead and do that. And then go to Google and search Epic Games. Open up the Epic Games website. And when you open it on your mobile device, you will get an option up here to be able to install it. So just go ahead and click on install. And it will give you the option to install it on your respective device. So it's also available on the iPhone. As you can see, you will see a download option right here. Just go ahead and click on install. And then go ahead and install the APK file or download file with your iPhone, your package installer, and then you will be able to run Epic Games once you install it. And there we go, we have the Epic Games Store. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.